Hi there! Do you speak Curl? Or are you more a Python type of coder? No need to worry. You see, connecting with Gateway API means connecting with your preferred programming language. So whether you favor C#, Curl, Go, HTTP, PHP, Node, Java, Python, or Ruby, we've got your back. This means you won't have to learn a completely new programming language when using our SMS gateway. You just code in the language you're used to. In this way, you can communicate with your customers simply and easily via SMS messages. All you have to do is go to our webpage and sign up for a free account to start sending these text messages using your customary programming language. So what are you waiting for? Head over to gatewayapi.com and let the coding begin.